Is anybody missing anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead and record some initial observations.
Vinegar color,
The recording
clear,
is-
green. Thinking looks great over here. It's definitely good. Clear green.
Floppy.
Smelly.
Well, it just says balloon appearance. It doesn't ask for the baking soda's appearance.
Red.
Red, squishy,
Yeah.
smells rubbery. The baking soda.
Okay, is everybody done recording their initial observations?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, awesome. Can I get you to hold this down for me? I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how to secure the balloon onto the water bottle. So you're going to stretch it over this way. And we have small rubber bands, so it might hold if you just did it once, or you can wrap it around twice, but it shouldn't be more than twice to secure it in place. Just like that. Okay, and your primary investigator will perform this procedure.
Oh, this is that one?
Yes.
No.
If you could, one of the partners holds
Yeah.
the water bottle and the other one
Nice.
secures the balloon. Secure the bag. Do we go?
Can we do it?
Wow! Wow, cool! Oh, gee. Is this helium?
Wait, there's more. Yeah, this is what helium is.
You make. What is it asking?
Vinegar color.
Vinegar color appearance. Super cloudy.
Kind of bubbly.
It's cold.
Ooh, it is cold.
No.
Balloon appearance. Fat.
Oh. Thick. Go ahead and record some observations.
With 2 C's.
Blown up. Additional observations.
Did we say cold?
We already said cold.
Oh, we
Smelly.
forgot to produce it.
No.
Logan.
Appearance of the balloon will change. Yes, indeed. It doesn't look like everything just
Vinegar appearance.
kind of chill in there.
Yeah, there's some.
Yeah, sorry. Green and inflated.
Want more air? What conclusions can you make?
Okay, go
Something
ahead and finish
happened.
up the remaining questions on the exploration guide, and please put your pencils down whenever you're finished.
Something happened to front gas.
It made bubbles.
And made gas release.
Can you reverse this reaction? Probably not.
You have evidence for it would not be easy to change it.
What conclusions can you make from this observation?
Thermometer, rubber band, balloon, empty rinse water bottle.
Great.
Do you want us to go ahead and do our final?
Okay.
You can go ahead and
we're
do the
done?
final checklist. Yes.
So I'll do it. That's my job as maintenance. Maintenance man.
Okay, while we're wrapping up the final questions, you can go ahead and start cleaning up. The maintenance manager will begin the cleanup process. The materials manager is responsible to ensure all items are accounted for, so that last check.
How do we clean this up? Do you want us to go into that?
You can dispose of the contents of the bottle in the sink differ from the inside. Paper towels is pretty cozy.
So hard to get on.
Do you want surgery sauces?
Yes, please. And if you're finished with your exploration guides, I will take them. You just pass through for me. Thank you. Okay, and we're going to pass out your explanation guides.
You can pass that down.
Does everybody get one?
Everybody will get their own. Okay, so we're going to talk a little bit about chemical change. Evidence of a chemical change can include production of a gas or a temperature change. Common evidence of a production of a gas includes smoke, vapor, and bubbles. So using this information and what you saw in the investigations, go ahead and answer question number 1. When you're finished, please put your pencils down. Ashley, can I have you share what you put down for question number 1?
A chemical change occurs when gases produced are temperature or something changes.
Okay. So the correct definition of a chemical change is an irreversible process where one or more substances are altered into one or more new and different substances. So you'll put this down for number 2. And again, when you're finished, if you could please put your pencils down. Okay. So whenever we mix Mentos and cola, what usually happens?
Explodes.
Explosion, right? Maybe they should do that outside.
I like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead and answer question number 3 on your explanation guide. Like before, pencils down when you're finished. Okay, so by a show of hands, who thinks investigation 1 represented a chemical change? Okay, Anna, can you tell us why you think that is?
There was a temperature change.
Right. Right. Does anyone think there was a new substance created?
Yes.
I put a different substance.
Different substance? Yeah, so new or different substance? Okay, what was the evidence for that?
There were bubbles and it looked different. The
Right.
physical properties were different.
So the evidence of a chemical change, those were prevalent, right? Okay. So go ahead and answer question number 4 on your guide. Pencils down when you're finished. So by a show of hands, who thinks investigation 2 represented a chemical change? Everybody? Okay. Sarah Marie, what was the evidence for that answer?
There was a temperature change and a production of gas.
Okay, you noticed a temperature change?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
I felt cooler.
So do you think the new substance was created, Marcia?
Yes,
What's the evidence for that answer?
because the two substances mixed together and it got colder, and then the liquid changed colors too.
Okay, color change. That's something we might hear about later. Okay, so who can give me some examples of a chemical change in regular life? Michael?
Campfire.
Anything else? Y'all can just yell them out to me.
Baking a cake.
I just think food.
Rust.
Rust is good.
Cars using gas.
Why do you think a car using gas is a chemical change?
Because the gas turns to fire in the engine and then exhaust comes out.
Okay, let's see.
It's a gas.
Gas? Yeah. So go ahead and answer question number 5. And you'll share that answer with your partner. So if you write something that's on the board, just make sure you put the evidence.
I say yes because cars change gas into gas. But then it goes
Gas into gas.
Yeah, so it's a new and different substance, right, Marcia?
Mm-hmm.
Did anyone come up with anything different than we have on the board? That's okay, those were really good examples. Okay, so go ahead and answer question number 6. And share that answer with your partner when you're finished.
Yes. Or no, sorry.
I was like, am I wrong?
Yeah, that's what I wrote. I didn't even write yes for that answer. I don't know why I said that. It's not anywhere on my page.
Let's see.
I said when gas is produced.
No.
Gas.
So Ashley just mentioned something. For ice melting, there's a temperature change, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
Colder.
And technically it does produce gas because it's evaporating.
Is it producing a gas?
No.
Or is it just changing into a gas?
Yeah.
It's just turning into gas.
Also, I don't think kids know that.
Well, obviously.
But do you guys remember what that's called when it turns into gas?
Evaporation.
Evaporation.
It's not actually what I was looking for, but that's a good answer. So a phase
Oh.
change.
Oh.
I was like,
When a substance changes phases, is it a new and different substance, or is it the same substance?
It's
It's
the
the
same,
same.
but a different phase.
Okay. So do you guys think ice melting into water is a chemical change?
No.
no.
Okay, Cassie, can you tell us why you do not think it's a chemical change?
Well, we kind of already talked about it, but initially I said because there's no gas produced
Mhm.
and it's reversible, like you can refreeze water.
Yeah, it's reversible. It's not a new or different substance. So if you guys could just pass those up to the front here.
It's okay.
So we have
I should've said
new
something, I just said
words
that.
add to our word wall. Chemical change. Okay, so just to reiterate what we just spoke about, physical change is going to be reversible change in the physical properties of a substance. So the size, shape, or the state, just like with water, the substance won't be altered in a new or a different way. What are some examples of a physical change besides ice? You just yell them out.
Cutting color.
Nice.
Yeah, we learned
I bet you had an
that
awesome
last week.
teacher, yeah.
The tearing paper.
Uh-huh.
Slicing a pizza.
Yeah, okay.
That's probably still chemical. It's just
It's trying to think of something that's not cut.
Oh yeah, I just realized that they're all connected. Molding
You have a
Play-Doh.
question, Michael?
Do all physical changes have to be reversible?
No.
Okay.
No, so it's usually reversible.
Ah,
Not
okay.
always. Yes, Emery.
Molding like clay or Play-Doh or something.
Yeah, yeah. So Play-Doh is still the same, even though you can turn it into a figure. So you can see the differences. Sorry, my handwriting. It's really hard to write on the board. But everything on the left side, it turns into a new and different substance. On the right side, it's still paper whenever you tear it, and it's still pizza. When you have it.
It's sliced pizza.
Okay, so we will be taking a quiz today. We'll be taking it individually. And whenever you're finished, please put your pencils down. Is everyone finished? You can just pass those in. Okay. We also have a chart for you to complete. Do you mind just passing this? Okay, so we're going to identify whether the following examples are chemical or physical changes and give evidence for your answers. This is example 1. Go ahead and write down what you think, and when you're finished, you put your pencils down. Is everyone finished? Okay, here is example 2. An example 3. Okay, and if you could just pass those into me. Thank you. That's all we have for you today.